Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue that I have a script error has occurred on this page. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I would suggest would be to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in run, so R-U-N, best match to go back or run. You want to just go left click on that one time. Now I'm going to have a little bit of text in the description of the video. It should say regsvr32 space urlmon.dll. I want you to just type it in exactly as it appears, or you could just right click and paste it in, or do Control V, whatever shortcut you want to do is fine with me. And then you want to go ahead and left click on OK to run that. It should say DLL register server in urlmon.dll succeeded. So once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on OK. One further thing I would suggest would be if you actually have a URL that comes up, so if you're using a media player on your computer, you want to go ahead and just copy that directly as it appears. So just highlight over it, right click and copy. And then you want to open up Internet Explorer. So I'm going to go type in Internet Explorer here. Please note, Internet Explorer is not the same as Microsoft Edge, so you can see the two E's down on my taskbar here. I don't want you guys to get confused by that. Some people still don't know the difference between the two. And then once you have Internet Explorer open, you want to go left click on the gear icon near the top right corner of the browser. Or you hover over it, it should say Tools. Go ahead and left click on that. And then select Internet Options. Go ahead, once you are on this page, you want to go and left click on the option that says Security, and then select where it says Restricted Sites, and then left click on the Sites button right here. At this point, you want to just paste in whatever site is showing up that it is being blocked access to. So if there's a script on a video and it says it's unable to access that script, just paste it in right here. So just copy it from whatever that text box is and paste it in here, and then just left click on Add. Again, Google was just the example in this tutorial, but if you had a site through your media player and it was showing up, you just want to paste it in here. Once you're done, click on Close, select OK again, and you should be good to go at this point. So hopefully this tutorial was able to help you guys out. Thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.